In this video I will show the difference between the new remote control and the old remote control from IKEA TRÅDFRI. So if you read the documentation, all you see is the new one is IP44, and that's all, and it's a little cheaper. But if you actually buy them, you will see some more differences. The first one is that the text is a little thinner. The old one here has a little thicker text. The edge is also a little sharper, and the surface, this one is the old one is very smooth, and the new one is not so smooth. If you click on the buttons, then the old one uses a membrane, and the new one uses a tag switch, and is therefore more responsive, also more audible. If we take a look at the back, then the old one has again a membrane switch to reset it, and the new one, which does not come with a protective plastic, has again a tactile switch. There's also a slight difference in how the battery is mounted, and we will get to that later. Good. If we open them, then the new one, which is IP44, has a long edge with some stuff to prevent water going inside of it. IP44 means that it's water resistant. This of course means that it's quite a lot harder to open it. I damaged it while I was opening it, while the old one you couldn't open and close without anyone seeing that it had been opened. There's also some rubber here on the new one, IP44, to prevent water getting inside of it. If we go to the PCB, printed circuit board, then we will again see the difference between the battery holder. That's significant because in the new version, the entire circuit right here, down here, to prevent reverse polarity, has been removed. So IKEA thinks that it's no longer possible to turn the battery the wrong way around. We see again the tactile switch here and the membrane switch here. Most of the other components are exactly the same, the capacitors and the resistors to the different buttons. But there's one component that has been removed, that is the MOSFET to amplify the signal to the diode. See here? So now the diode is run directly by the Zigbee module. The Zigbee module is slightly different, a newer version. So the reason why I'm so interested in this is that I have a project where I turn these remote controls into these remote controls, which fits into the Danish system for electricity. And here we see that I have shrunk the PCB down. So I have moved the reset knob, or pairing button I should call it, to the middle, and then 4 of the 5 buttons are here. I don't have the button to turn each way on the color, it's only one of them, it's right here. which is right there. So I'm actually very happy to see that they have kept the Zigbee module, all the resistors, and the only thing that has changed is that they have removed the amplifier for the LED. So that means that I can also remove it from my PCB and save a little time and money. So all in all, in conclusion, this is a significant improvement of the remote control, and it's a little cheaper also. So I would definitely recommend it. Yes, thanks for watching.